Hey guys, this video is on Happy Belly Quick Oats. So these are excellent for so many things, but I am using them for overnight oats. So I just use the quick oats, put some dry oats like up to here in the mason jar, and then I add a little bit of almond or oat milk, banana, whatever kind of fruit you like, peanut butter, and some flax seeds to it. So this, of course, can be cooked really easily and quickly. It's made with whole grain oats. 48 grams or more whole grain daily is what the USDA recommends. So they're definitely healthy and good for you. This is a 1 pound, 2 ounce container. It tells you the preparation instructions if you're going to cook them in the stovetop or the microwave, and it's kind of nice because you can make them however you like. You can flavor them however you like. The calorie count and everything is all listed here. It's just whole grain oats in the ingredients, and they taste really good, and this container will last a while, especially if it's just one person using it. I use these, like I said, every day to make overnight oats for myself and for my husband, and one container will last quite a few weeks. And then when I cook it in the microwave or on the stovetop, I like to just add a little bit of peanut butter or maple syrup to flavor them. And of course, you could add like blueberries to hot oatmeal, and that tastes really nice if you want. For thicker oatmeal, use less water or milk, and for thinner oatmeal, use more water or milk. So super easy. They take maybe like a minute and a half in the microwave or on the stove top to cook, and highly recommend this for your breakfast in the morning.